Okay, so this is not the video I was hoping to make this week, but Met Office issued a red wind warning today for Storm Arwen, so I took the decision to close the SR2 office earlier today, and all of the things that I need for the video I wanted to make are in the office, so instead I'm going to do this video because I really wanted to get a video out this week. So what you see here is an emergency kit. Now this kit I have built for a specific purpose. This kit is for the event that some kind of disaster, fire, flood, wind as we're currently having, has caused us to need to abandon the house. And this kit has inside it things that might be immediately useful. The assumption is that when we are evacuating this house, we will be going to another place that has shelter and heat, and eventually we'll have water and food and the basics. So this is literally a bag that will get you through the first couple of hours of you've been evacuated from your home, and maybe you're going to a local authority rest centre, or you've contacted a friend, you're going to go to your friend's house, and so that's sort of it. It's not, this is not the bag that I would take with me if I was responding to an emergency and I was expecting to be there for a longer time. It's just the essentials. So the bag itself, it's a 511 bag. I think they call it the emergency ready. I'm not sure. I'll look that up. And it's got the zip, opens all the way around, and then sort of opens out so you can see everything that's in here. And I built this kit a while ago, so I don't remember exactly what's in it. But let's just go through and see what I've got in here. So I can see straight away on the top, we live in pandemic times, so I've got these stylish masks. And then under that, so here I've got a poncho. So if I'm stood outside in the rain, got something waterproof. Just a foil blanket. The thing with those, if you're already cold, don't use that, because you'll just trap the cold in. You need to get warm and then use it so that you can trap the warmth in instead. So this is an Anker power bank, and in here I've got a lightning adapter to charge my phone, and micro USB cable, and then that will charge the power bank. And let's see, 4 lights, so that's charged up. These keep their charge for a long time, but I don't know if they really do, or if just the 4 bulbs keep lighting up for a long time. If I actually go and try and charge something, maybe it's not at its full capacity. So that's those. Oh no, got some little Velcro high visibility thing. So if I just want to make myself a bit more visible if there's bad weather, I can put those just on a belt. So what else is in here? Oh, so yeah. So if you're going to a rest center or a hotel, you don't know what the noise levels are going to be like, and at some point you are going to want to sleep. So this container just has a couple of earplugs in there, so I can make sure that I can get myself a good night's sleep. that. Okay, that really is everything from those two pockets. So this is fruit and nut mix. Or is it? No, it's just dried fruit. 50 grams of dried fruit, and what's that? 100 grams gives you 330 calories. So there's 50 grams in there, and I'm just noticing the date there is March 2021, so that needs to be changed. So this is just drinking water, and inside here these are portioned up into 50 milliliter sachets, and it's just easily rationable drinking water. I've put this in here. Hopefully I don't need it, but if I am evacuating and there really is no water around, that's a day's worth of surviving, I guess. Okay, now other side. So down here, so this is first aid stuff. This is antiseptic wipes, alcohol-free wipes. I've got some gloves, some plasters. It's not going to treat anything serious, but bumps and grazes, grazes and scratches. That's what I'm going for. Could deal with those. It's down here. Phone charger. So this actually folds out, and then this twists around, and then that's a phone charger. So I'd probably use this to charge up the power bank, so I'm not leaving my phone unattended. I can just leave the power bank, and if that goes missing, it's not quite as bad. It just folds up. That's quite neat. Deck of playing cards that I got from a academic conference. I don't remember who NewNet are or Telecom Paristech, but if you're stuck in a rest centre, you might want to have something to pass the time. But make some friends with the other evacuees. What else? Toothbrush. These are towels. You put them in water and they sort of expand up and you can just wash your face. That is environmentally friendly bamboo floss. So you can get some flossing done. Just another towel and some tissues. So that's just toiletries mostly in that one. And then I've got this center zip pocket, and in here I've got, that's my passport. The passport is in a waterproof bag. If at any point I need to prove my identity, then that could be handy. And finally, there's just a £20 note. Get some food from the shop or whatever I might need. It's not going to get me a night in a hotel, but might help to make things a little bit easier. And I think that. Oh, there's also a whistle, just because I had one lying around spare. So it turns out the Scottish Government has a website for preparing and dealing with emergencies. This is at ready.scot. And if we look down on their prepare page, they do actually have an outline of what you could put into an emergency kit, and they talk about using this in the same sort of scenario that I've put together this kit for. So I was just going to compare what's in my kit against this list. So there's a copy of your household emergency plan. So what's in the emergency? So this I think is a list of phone numbers and meeting places, uh, a list of all of your friends. So I don't have this, but I do expect that I would have my phone with me, so that would have contacts in it. The torch and radio. So this is one that I struggle to find something that would fit into the bag. There's plenty of wind-up torches with built-in radios available, but something that's really compact, I just haven't found anything like that. Mobile phone charger, got that. Essential medication, well, I don't have any of that. Toiletries and first aid kit, I've got both of those. 3 day supply of bottled water and ready to eat food. So I don't have 3 days supply. I've got 1 day supply of water, which is 1 day's baseline minimum level supply of water, and one snack. But I guess this means the food and water you keep in your house as opposed to in a kit you might leave with. Copies of important documents. So I don't have these, but I was thinking of putting in here like an SD card or a USB stick, just with digital copies of the documents. And I was trying to think about how that might work with the phone, so you can pull up the documents on the phone, but I have an iPhone, so it doesn't have any SD card slot or anything. So that's something I'm going to need to think a bit more about. Um, Blankets, no way am I going to fit a sort of soft blanket in here. But I've got the foil blanket. Um, no paper, no pencil, a penknife. I wouldn't be carrying a knife around in the UK. That's very illegal. Um, and a whistle. Oh, I've got the whistle. No spare keys, no glasses, no contact lenses. Don't have any pets. Don't have any babies. This one was odd. Putty or a repair clamp for fixing burst pipes. I I have no like, if a pipe bursts, I'll turn the water off, but I have no idea what they're talking about here. Putty or a repair clamp. Is that a normal thing that people have? I don't know. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it interesting. And if this video has earned it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And hopefully I'll be back with another video soon.